y'all, it's your girl Glitz. Thanks for tuning in back to my channel. It is Makeup Sundays. So today I did this Black Panther inspired makeup tutorial. The other day, Friday, when the movie came out, that night I was like, man, I can do a recreation of that. So I just went on Instagram and I hashtagged Black Panther movie, and I saw a few recreations of it, and I didn't see anything that just stood out to me. And then I clicked on Black Panther makeup, and there was one girl that did a recreation of it. I want to do like a little rendition of her. She's also on YouTube. Yeah, so this is my recreation of it. Hopefully y'all will go see the movie. I haven't yet. I will tomorrow. So hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe before we even get started, and keep on watching for the next video. See y'all later. Hey y'all, let's get started with the eyes. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. You're going to go in with this reddish orange shade in our crease. Then next we're going to go in with the shade right underneath that one. It's like a deeper red tone, and go below that last shade. Next we're going to go in with a deeper brown shade to go right underneath the last red shade we did. I wanted this eye to be very cat-like, you know, panthers are cats. So my focus was the wing liner that I'll show y'all in a second, but I wanted the actual eyeshadow to be smoked out and like a pop of gold. So that's why I did a crease gold look. Now I'm just cutting the crease using that same toffee shade that I always use for my brows, and blend that into the rest of the shadows. I don't know why my left eye, it never comes out like my right eye. Like y'all will see that my eyes, they don't look the same when I do my eyeshadow, but that's okay. And now we're going in with that bronzy gold shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and putting the Ultimate Nude glitter from Glitter My World. Y'all know I use their glitters all the time. And now we're going in with the liner. I wanted this to be very dramatic, so I'm gonna bring it out longer than I usually do, and then I'm gonna create like a point towards the front of my eye. It's really hard. If you ever tried it, y'all know it's really hard to do that. But putting that point towards the front makes that cat eye effect. And now I'm just darkening up the liner with some liquid liner. Try to be really careful here, you know, recreating this. I know using black liquid liner is kind of tricky. And next I'm putting on my lash. I couldn't find my tweezers, so that's why I'm putting it on my fingers. Yeah, it was really hard. It took me like 20 minutes to just do that. Next, we're going to contour the face using the same contour palette I always use, the Smashbox Deep palette. And I'm going to contour the nose with the same shade. Don't mind my hair, y'all. It's been a rough week. My hair was cute at first, but yeah, y'all will see when I do my next video how cute it was, but whatever. So now we're highlighting the face using the same matte pigment that I always use for my highlight. Now this was maybe the trickiest part of doing the entire Black Panther look, trying to look in the mirror and also draw my face, but this part towards the chin took the hardest. But yeah, I'm just kind of freehanding it. I wanted this part to look like a mask in a sense, like I don't know the main character's name, but y'all know the main character, how he has a mask on, and so I wanted the black part to kind of create that effect. And I'm just cleaning up the lines with some concealer, and it's going to make the black look like it's popping out of my skin when I blend it out. So that's a good trick when you add highlight against a dark color, it'll make it pop out. And now I'm just bringing it down towards my face, and I did the other side off camera. Now I'm going to paint my body. And this maybe took the longest. I mean, this was pretty easy. It just kind of got tiring after so long, but I used the Mehron paint to paint my body. I used that same paint in the anti-Valentine's Day look. Yeah, as you can see here, I was really tired. So, yeah, going back to the face. I was looking at a reference picture of his mask. Of course, his whole face was black, but I just wanted to create the detailing from the mask on my face instead of painting my whole face black and, adding details on it. I just wanted to focus on the details of the mask, if that makes any type of sense. And what the things that I'm doing on my right side, your left, is being mirrored on your right side, my left. So that's why I didn't show the left side of my face, because I'm just doing the same thing. And now I'm using some gold paint, y'all. This gold paint is not body paint. I went to Hobby Lobby and I asked them for some gold paint, and they said, well, we don't have gold paint. It was raining outside. I did not feel like going to another store, so I was like, well, just give me the other paint. So this is gold acrylic paint, and yeah, I know this is not face safe, but I got it off. My face still is okay. I did some masking stuff when I took it off, so it wouldn't dry my face out or anything. But this paint was very drying. I would say that, like, it was cracking on my face. Y'all see later, but it was cracking up on my face when I was moving around after it dried, like that NYX Vivid Brights liner, how that cracks when it dries out. That's how it felt on my face when I was doing this. But overall, I like the effect of it. I like how it was metallic. So if I do another tutorial using it, like a gold metallic paint, I'll probably just use it again and just, be careful with it like I did this time. And now we're lining the lips using the MAC Chestnut lip pencil. I just want to do like a nude, lip. I didn't want that to take the focus of the look. And I'm using the NYX lip lingerie. I can't remember the exact name. It's probably corset. I can't remember. But yeah. And I like how it looked with the look. Just something, subtle. And now for the, I guess, chain or whatever he had on. This was kind of hard looking at a mirror and doing it on my body at the same time. So, I tried my best. It's the best I could do. And I was getting tired, but I pulled through for y'all. And if you try to use this kind of paint at home, you may have to layer it. That's what I had to do so it can be as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So after I did this layer, I added another layer. So now I'm about to go do my hair. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Some of the gold kind of got cracked while I was putting the wig on. And also, some of the paint got on the floor. Like when I was squirting it out, it just, squirted out of control and got on my floor. So I was trying to clean it up. And so as I was moving, some of the gold was cracking up a little bit. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you go out and see the movie. I heard such great reviews, not one bad review yet. Like this video if you like more recreation tutorials. I love doing them. I love being inspired by others. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out. I need to get some black hair. What y'all think? Shout out to Nisha for you know, let me borrow her wig. Cause I'm low-key feeling myself. I should have did my hands black.